This G20 looks good, handles well, and has plenty of power, but it's lacking in one thing: the audio. Today, BeamerTech will fix that with our Alpha One amplifier. If you want to see a full installation video, we have that on our YouTube channel. Today is just a quick overview on how to transform your G20's audio system to give you a listening experience like never before. First off, the amp itself. This amp is specifically tailored for late model BMWs with the Harman Kardon sound system, option code S688A. It features 2 extra speaker outputs for a total of 10, compared to the normal 8 on our amps for other BMW models. This amp has a combined max output of 1,680 watts compared to the factory amp's 464 watts. It's plug and play and comes with a custom mounting bracket. Speaking of which, let's show you just how easy it is to install. After popping your trunk, you just need to access your battery and disconnect the negative terminal, making installation safe for your vehicle. Once you're ready to go, you just have to remove some trim panels, which is caked with BeamerTech's DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Toolkit. Once you locate the factory equipment, relocate the RAM and plop in the Alpha One amp. Relocation of everything is made simple with custom brackets. Our custom-made wiring harness makes plugging in everything easier than choosing Sport Plus mode on an open highway on a Sunday morning. Just run your power and ground, throw all your panels back in, and crank up the tunes. The only thing that would make this experience better is a complete Alpha One speaker kit, which will allow you to truly take advantage of all the power the amp has to offer. Still not enough? Add our brand new Alpha One Sub 10 trunk sub, and you'll never want to leave your BMW again. Want the amp and everything we've talked about for your G20? Head on over to our site, enter your VIN, and get your ride hooked up today with the last sound system you'll ever need. Want to see more videos like this? Subscribe, and you will.